Hey, what's up guys? Just gonna do a really quick unboxing of this no screw, no hole cable organizer, especially for under your desk. This is great to have if you're like renting, for example, or if you're in an apartment where they provide a desk or anything like that where you don't want to have to drill any holes into any kind of desk. This is perfect for you. It's got the adhesive on it. I wanted to have this at my work, but I didn't want to drill holes into my work desk. So this was perfect for me. Let me get it unboxed, see everything that we've got here. So we've got our manual, which we really don't need a manual for this. Looks like we've got some little Velcro ties there to hold the cables together. And here is the organizers themselves. So the way this works, there's your big old adhesive strip. So you're gonna peel this red piece off, stick this on your desk. You're gonna wanna face it like this side, the open side needs to be facing, in my case, I would face it away from where I'm going to be at so that I don't see all the cables in there or surge protector or whatever. But if you want to have it facing towards you, you could, so that you could easily access and see what's in there. So you've got a little bit of flexibility on how you would want to do that. But it comes with two of these. So together you've probably got, I'd say 4 foot, 4 or 5, I'd say yeah, about 4 foot of space there to go underneath a desk. And you obviously these are two pieces, so you can put them wherever you would need to. But they feel really great. You've got the lining in there, and one thing to note about this, the way that these are designed with that pattern like this, is it allows you to easily feed wires down here without it. Basically, if you're behind it like this and you're trying to put something through, it's going to have the trays, basically the channeling, so it allows the cable to go down a lot easier than if it was, the other way. Then it would be catching and it would be, be riding against this like pattern in here. So really honestly built really great. Obviously, when you're cleaning it or whenever you're mounting it, you want to make sure the surface is clean. If it's really dusty when you're mounting this on the underside of the desk, it's not going to have very good adhesive. So make sure it's nice and clean before you do so. But other than that, it looks really great. If you guys are looking for a great cable organizer that doesn't put any holes in your desk, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.